Hey Tank, we have a little drain issue today. This utility sink here is downstream from the washing machine, so washing machine and utility sink end up going into the same drain. Thank goodness the sink is here because the drain apparently is clogged up, so instead of going downstream, the water is backing up into the sink and then slowly buffering down. So we are going to open up this clean out, which was behind that little wall plate there. We're going to run a snake down there and see if we can clean this up. So the first step, we're going to have to get the water out of the sink here so that it doesn't come out that clean out when I open that cap. So just have a shop back here, going to suck the water out of the sink. Alright, next I've got the sink drained, so there's going to be some water possibly come out that clean out. I don't want it getting back there behind the wall, so I'm going to have the shop vac ready. If it starts to seep out, I'll suck it out as it goes. Okay, I'm just going to see if anything starts to leak. If it does, I'll kick on that shop vac and suck it up. Okay, good. We have had water up to here. I don't know if that's showing or not, but there's currently no water up in the clean out, so that's good. Didn't need the shop vac. Better safe than sorry. I realize I may be in the way a little bit on this video because it's tight quarters and the camera is behind me. I have this powered snake. It plugs in. It's got this little bulb here which I can press and turn it on remotely. So I will fish that snake down into the drain as I rotate it, and we'll see what happens. What I can do is run some water and see if it backs up. Oh, nope. There we are. We're backing up now. Okay, now that I've ran water, I do have standing water here, so that will help me see if I break through the plug. Water went down real quick, so let's see. I do know we've made improvements because this was backing up in the sink almost immediately before. Okay, I've pulled the snake all the way out and it's just barely sticking in there right now. I've been running water for 5 minutes. It hasn't backed up, which is way better than it has been. Maybe fixed. But I am going to run the snake all the way down and back one more time. I'm going to do this with the water running. I'm going to run the snake down. end of my snake. Well, this is a much improved situation. Been running water this whole time. I wasn't able to run water in that sink for 2 minutes without it backing up before. So, not backing up there, not backing up in the clean out anymore. So, I'd say this is fixed. And here's the snake. Trick with this snake is don't let too much line get between your spool and where you're going, or else it starts getting tied in knots and all that. Just feed as you go and don't get ahead of it. That's how that works.